You don't have a money problem, you have a plan problem. This is a simple how to create a financial plan for any income. If you felt stuck, this is your map. Why you need a plan. Imagine building a house without a blueprint. Most people spend randomly, save occasionally, invest emotionally, and react to emergencies. A plan answers three questions: what's coming in, what's going out, and what are you building? Step 1: know your real numbers. Write monthly net income, fixed expenses, variable expenses, and debts. Clarity beats confusion. Step 2: define one clear goal. Pick one priority: emergency fund, debt elimination, saving to invest, or business capital. If income is small, start with a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Step 3: build a basic allocation. Needs 50 to 60%, savings investments 10-20%, growth 10 to 15%, skills, lifestyle the remainder. Adjust, but keep categories. Step 4: automate discipline. Auto transfers, separate accounts, limit access. Step 5: review monthly. What improved, what overshot, what to tweak. Clarity, consistency, direction. Subscribe to Financial Freedom Hub. Start with intention.